Antarctica. The very name evokes a sense of mystery and wonder. It's a land of extremes where the cold bites through the thickest of layers and the wind howls with an eerie, almost otherworldly intensity. The name itself conjures images of pristine landscapes and incredible wildlife. Imagine a place where the ice stretches as far as the eye can see, and the only inhabitants are creatures perfectly adapted to this frozen world. For years I dreamt of experiencing this icy paradise. I imagined towering glaciers, vast plains of snow, and the sheer silence that can only be found in such a remote place. The thought of standing amidst these colossal ice formations filled me with a sense of awe and anticipation. And of course the penguins. These charming creatures with their playful antics and resilient nature are the true ambassadors of Antarctica. Watching them huddle together for warmth or slide across the ice is a sight that captures the heart. This wasn't just a travel destination, it was a journey to the end of the earth, a place where few have ventured and even fewer have truly experienced. The journey itself is an adventure, navigating through treacherous waters and braving the harshest of climates. It was a chance to witness a part of the world untouched by human hands, a pristine environment where nature's raw beauty is on full display. The ice here is ancient, holding secrets of the Earth's past, and the landscape is a testament to the power and majesty of nature, a place where nature reigns supreme. Here, the natural world operates on its own terms, unaffected by the hustle and bustle of human life. It's a reminder of the planet's resilience and the delicate balance that sustains it. Finally, the opportunity arose, and I leapt at it. The chance to explore this frozen dream was a once-in-a-lifetime experience, and I was ready to embrace every moment of it. The adventure was calling, and I was prepared to answer. The journey to Antarctica is an adventure in itself. It begins with a sense of anticipation and excitement, knowing that you're about to embark on a voyage to one of the most remote and pristine places on Earth. The journey is not just about reaching the destination, but also about experiencing the challenges and wonders along the way. We sailed from the tip of South America, crossing the legendary Drake Passage. This stretch of water is known for its unpredictable weather and rough seas, making it a true test for any sailor. The waves can be towering, and the wind can howl with a ferocity that shakes the ship to its core. Yet, amidst this chaos, there is a beauty that is unparalleled. The ship cut through the waves, a lonely vessel in a vast ocean. The sense of isolation is profound, with nothing but the endless expanse of water surrounding us. It is a humbling experience, reminding us of the vastness of the world and our small place within it. The ocean's power is both awe-inspiring and humbling, a reminder of nature's raw force. As we approached the Antarctic Peninsula, the air grew colder. The temperature dropped noticeably, and the landscape began to change. The once grey and tumultuous waters started to calm, and the first glimpses of icebergs appeared on the horizon. The anticipation grew as we neared our destination, the excitement palpable among the crew and passengers. The clouds parted, revealing towering icebergs in the distance. These massive structures of ice, some as tall as buildings, stood majestically against the backdrop of the clear blue sky. It was a sight to behold, a testament to the raw and untouched beauty of Antarctica. Each iceberg was unique, sculpted by the elements into shapes that defied imagination. The sight of these icy giants, sculpted by wind and water, took my breath away. We had arrived. The journey had been long and challenging, but the reward was beyond anything we could have imagined. Standing on the deck, surrounded by the pristine beauty of Antarctica, we felt a sense of accomplishment and wonder. This was a place like no other, a true end of the Earth. Antarctica is a continent of extremes. It is a land of stark contrasts where the sun never sets during the summer months and never rises during the winter. This vast, icy wilderness is a place of breathtaking beauty and unforgiving conditions. It is the coldest, windiest and driest place on Earth. Temperatures can plummet to -80°C, and the relentless winds can reach speeds of over 200 kilometers per hour. The air is so dry that it is often compared to the conditions on Mars. Yet, Despite its harsh conditions, it is teeming with life. The Antarctic ecosystem is incredibly diverse, with species that have adapted to survive in one of the most extreme environments on the planet. From microscopic plankton to massive whales, life finds a way to thrive here. Whales breach the surface of the icy waters, their massive bodies creating a spectacular display. These gentle giants migrate to the Antarctic waters to feed on the abundant krill, a tiny shrimp-like creature that forms the base of the Antarctic food web. Seals bask on ice floes, their thick blubber providing insulation against the freezing temperatures. They are expert divers, capable of plunging to great depths in search of fish and squid. And then there are the penguins, thousands of them, waddling across the ice and diving into the sea. These charismatic birds are perfectly adapted to their environment, with their waterproof feathers and streamlined bodies allowing them to swim with incredible agility. It's a sight that words cannot adequately describe. The sheer scale and beauty of the Antarctic landscape, combined with the incredible wildlife that calls it home, make it a truly unique and awe-inspiring place. This frozen continent, though harsh and remote, is a testament to the resilience of life. Section 4. Penguins, masters of the Antarctic. Penguins are the undisputed stars of Antarctica. They are awkward on land but graceful in the water. These tuxedo-clad creatures are endlessly fascinating. We watched them for hours, mesmerized by their antics. They waddled, they slid, they dove, and they squawked. They seemed to dance across the ice, their movements a symphony of nature. Section 5. Dancing on ice. One day something magical happened. I was standing on the ice watching a group of penguins. They were waddling around, seemingly oblivious to my presence. Then one penguin approached me. It stopped right in front of me, looked up, and seemed to bow. I couldn't help but laugh. It felt like we were dancing a silent waltz on the ice. Section 6. Reflections from the bottom of the world. My time in Antarctica was a life-changing experience. I was humbled by the sheer power of nature. I was awestruck by the beauty of the landscape, and I was charmed by the penguins, their playful nature, their resilience in such a harsh environment, their sheer joy of living. It was infectious. Section 7. Antarctica, a call to conservation. Antarctica is a fragile and unique ecosystem. It is under threat from climate change, pollution, and human encroachment. We have a responsibility to protect this pristine wilderness for future generations. Let us remember the lessons of Antarctica, the importance of conservation, the power of nature, and the joy of dancing with adorable penguins.